Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about WorkSuite, HR, that's human relation, CRM, customer relation management, and a project management system. Now this is 3-in-1 system, a web system. Now this is a powerful all-in-one business management platform you can use to centralize your projects, tax, clients, employees, invoices, leads, many more all in one dashboard. So now, how does this work? Now, this is built with a Laravel PHP framework. It includes features like projects, like I said earlier, projects, tax management, CRM, customer lead tracking, HR features, attendance. Your attendance, your employees can mark their attendance, just like you saw it here, clocking, and option for internal chat, ticketing, invoicing, many more. Custom rules, can set custom rules, permission for who and who to use this. If you have maybe HR, if you have admin, if you have accountant, you can set rules for who and who should use it. You can set it's in 3-in-1, so you can set rules for people managing the HR, people managing the conversion, which is the leads, the CRM section. You can also manage where the project aspect is, how clients are being given the project or projects given to clients to get conversion, something like that. So you can always use this software to do all of that. Now, this is just a demo. It's not a demo. Like I said, it also has a full reporting that you can report all of them. This is a demo. It's a walkthrough. So if you want the full customization or installation, just hit me via details on the screen, contact me, and I'll get it done for you in 48 hours. Now let's dive into the quick demo. Now, as I said earlier, as a 3-in-1 HR, CRM, and the project system. Now there's option for 2 dashboard, private dashboard and advanced dashboard. Advanced is where it's wide. Private is like selecting your own dashboard. That's option for calendar, where you can set a clocking alarm, set tax. Maybe there's a deadline payment. Can always say calendar to fix. Maybe there's a meeting. Maybe there's anything that they have an appointment with clients. You can set the calendar for that. So leads is where you have the client details that is in the process of converting, either winning, either won, or either lost, or either in the progress. You can use it for that. So client side is when you have the details of your customers, everything, and HR is where HR manages their employees according to their payrolls, according to if they are going on leave, if they are present at work, setting their punctualities. This HR works on that. So it's so intrigued, so many of them, financing, maybe how much you pay your workers. You can set all of that in all of this. You also set events on a calendar, option for messages. Everything is here in one dashboard. And this can be done for you for an hour free. For all these things you are seeing here are add-ons. They're add-ons. So if you can also I can also help you activate it if you want it activated, but that'll be an additional fee. So add-on, you can click add-on for payroll, add-on for recruiting, add-on for service manager, for work when you commit the payment system. So this is just it. And if you want to get this done for your company, on behalf of your company, where you can manage your CRM, use a CRM dashboard, use HR dashboard, use a payment dashboard, this is the best I recommend for you. So like I said, contact me via this on the screen and I'll get them for you for 8 hours for an affordable fee. I'll see you in my next video. You be blessed. Like I'm your way again. Bye bye. Bye.